Hello and welcome to this presentation. My name is Lee Snyder, the product manager here at Trimble Solutions, and what I'll be showing is the layout point applicator, which allows you to easily insert layout points into the model so that they can be sent to the Trimble equipment or whatever layout equipment that you're using out on site. So here's an example real quickly of these layout points where we're locating the base plate. That can then be exported from Tekla, fed directly to these machines that will laser locate that information and aid in the laying out on the job site. So here in Tekla, I'll just come in here and launch this extension. Once you have it installed, you'll get this new toolbar. This is available for download on the Tekla warehouse. And then instead of having to pick points individually where you want these to go, you can set up selection filters and locations on those items once they're identified, and then it will automatically lay out those points for you. For example, here I'll just go ahead and run this for the anchor bolts. I'm just going to run this from all. This will find all of the anchor rods in the model, place them at the center top as I've identified. So if I zoom in here, you can see those are the anchor rod layout points that have been located there. And then I'll do just one more real quick just for this grid, so we can come in and load these grid settings here, and I'll just run that from that selected grid. There's several options for the grids. You can identify just the individual grid intersections as I've done, or you can have crossing or square groupings automatically inserted. Once those are inserted, I can come up here to Tools, down to the Layout Manager, and open this. This is where all of those points are located. It has all of the XYZ information just as you would expect. So let's go ahead and take a look at those. And let's minimize that, okay? And then here I have these groups where I have 64 points for my anchor bolts and then 210 for my grid. And then these will have the grid intersection name that you can come in and customize and define that. And then all I have to do is just come in here and export this information either to the Trimble equipment or any other layout equipment that you're using. And then they have that information to begin laying that out. And of course, any data that they capture out on the job site, you can also import into the Tekla model. So again, this is available for download on the Tekla warehouse called the Layout Point Applicator. We'd invite you to download it and give it a try. Send us any feedback that you may have. And we hope you enjoy this new development.